71. Anyone respond? My voice is audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your voice is audible, sir.
Then 87.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Manasa is here. Manasa is here. 79 Manasa.
He's here, sir, but not responding, sir.
Okay. Kumari is here. 76. Kumari. Those who are not responding, I will put option. That is better.
Yes, sir.
76. Tell me, my screen is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Then tell me what is theta A. Theta A for skew rays I written. What is theta A? Theta A is what? Number 80. Monica. Monica, respond. What is theta A? Don't know. Is there any problem? Anyone? '87. Can you able to tell what is theta A? Tell me what is theta A?
Angles,
Yesterday's class you don't know. How you can
Sir,
remember
acceptance angle.
previous classes? Acceptance angle. That is acceptance angle. Theta is angle. A is acceptance angle. Theta A is acceptance angle. Here we are going to represent acceptance angle for skew rays. Tell me what is the acceptance angle formula, anyone? Theta A or theta maximum is equal to theta A or theta maximum is equal to
Theta maximum is equal to sin inverse root of n1 of square minus n2 square.
Okay, very good. So theta maximum or theta A is equal to sin inverse of square root of n1 square minus n2 square.
Yes, sir.
But here we are getting square root of n1 square minus n2 square by cos gamma. In addition, we are getting cos gamma only. For meridional rays, same previous formula, that is sin inverse of square root of n1 square minus n2 square. That is for meridional rays. For meridional rays, we already discussed meridional rays, first rays. For these rays, the formula or the acceptance angle is same. Whatever we discussed in the previous class, that acceptance angle is same for meridional ray. That is nothing but for meridional rays, we discussed acceptance angle. This is the acceptance angle. These rays are called meridional rays. Already in the last class, we discussed acceptance angle. That acceptance angle we calculated for these rays. In the core, what are the light rays transmitting? For that, what is the incident angle theta I, reflected angle theta r, and by using those angles, we calculated the acceptance angle formula. That is a sin inverse of square root of n1 square minus n2 square. That is for meridional rays. In the same manner, for skew rays, that is square root of n1 square minus n2 square by cos gamma. In addition, we are getting cos gamma. Remember that. Okay. Gamma is reflection angle. Okay. For each reflection, we are taking 2 gamma. Okay, here gamma, we are taking from that. For each reflection, we are taking 2 gamma. From the 2 gamma, we are going to calculate the gamma. Now we will discuss some problems. That's why you have to note down these formulas. And in the same manner, what is square root of n1 square minus n2 square?
Numerical apertures.
Numerical aperture. That we are substituting here. So sin theta as is equal to Na by cos gamma. This is also another formula. You may take first formula, otherwise another formula. Both I am giving here. For meridional rays, theta A is sin inverse of square root of n1 square minus n2 square. Otherwise, sin inverse of n1 square minus n2 square whole power 1 by 2. In the same manner, for skew rays, sin theta As. Why I am giving here As is nothing but acceptance angle for skew rays. That's why theta As. Following or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, theta As is equal to, you may write sin inverse of Na by cos gamma. Otherwise, sin inverse of square root of n1 square minus n2 square by cos gamma. For meridional rays, that is theta A is equal to, otherwise theta A m. Any manner you can write, not a problem. Sin theta A is equal to square root of n1 square minus n2 square. Whatever we discussed in the previous class. And here, for this skew rays, shall we go on do one problem?
Yes, sir.
Go for first problem. Right on first problem. I am indicating that is a step index fiber. Write on all of you. A step index fiber in a air has a numerical aperture of 0.22. A step index fiber in air has a numerical aperture of 0.22. Calculate the acceptance angle. Calculate the acceptance angle in air for a skew rays. For a skew rays. That change direction by 110 degrees. That change direction at 110 degrees, 110 degrees at each reflection.